Introducing the luxurious 2019 Volvo XC40 D3 INS 5-door auto in a stunning blue exterior. This estate-charged Jeep boasts a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Packed with comfort and safety features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and more. The interior offers cup holders, load cover, and luxury trim. With styling features like privacy glass and roof rails, this vehicle is both practical and stylish. It comes with a comprehensive warranty, full health and safety check, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Upgrade to luxury today.